Okay, the storm is here now, folks. Just trying to get some lightning and thunder. Hear it. Oh, here comes Bubba. Come on, Bubba. Come on. You come in the house? Come on. No? You gonna stay outside? What, you wanted to come up and be with me? Huh? Yeah, are you afraid? Where are you? Huh? Are you afraid? What's the matter? It's raining out? Ooh, hear that? Ooh, scary, huh? Let's see what's going on. Well, the winds are blowing. Boy, got some big clouds up there. Got Bubba over here. Huh, Bub? Huh? Whoa. I'm missing everything here. Alright. You can hear that, folks. Pretty loud. Let's get a look over here. Shouldn't be out here, but see? It's all open now. It's all raining. And Bubba, are you standing guard here? No, and the trees are going back there. Oh, I'm getting back. Bubba, you standing over here so you don't get wet? Yeah. I know, it's raining out. I'm gonna get back on the porch. Get underneath the truck. Yeah, underneath the tire. Can't even see them. Yeah, it's all open up there. So it's just pouring down rain now. Oh, I got a little overhang here standing underneath. But you can see the trees over there are really blowing. There. And it comes and goes. It's hard to get a good thunderstorm over here. Alright, that'll probably do it, folks. I guess it's gonna be going by, but we usually get it over here by the silo. Usually up there, but hard to see. Well, it's nasty over there. Oh, you see that? Time it flashes, it messes with the camera. Yeah, looks like the rain's here now. Bubba's underneath the truck. There's Bubba underneath there, staying dry. Alright folks, I guess we'll leave it at that. A nice big one coming over. What happened, 90 degrees, humid day today. This is supposed to be the cold front coming in, so it'll be a nice cool day. And Bubba, you ready to come back in now? Are you ready to come in now, Bub? Let's see. Hi. Say hello to everybody. Say hi. Pretty boy, huh? You say I'm a pretty boy, huh? Got pretty eyes, huh? Yeah. Alright. Well, everybody, see you later. Alright folks, I probably should do it. It's just gonna rain now. Thanks for watching.